Hey, I'm Joseph Lyons with Ilderton to Mercy Lighting. I'm coming to you today to give you a good tip in wiring your car. So recently we had a car that was wired with, normally this would be used for a speaker amp for radios, and it was supplying power to the console. And we don't use this wire for a certain reason. When there's a corrosion or anything like that occurs, it creates heat. It creates resistance, and just a little burn test. This immediately catches on fire, and you don't want that happening in your car. So we use a high temp welding gauge wire. It's 6 gauge, and it's got a burn point of 106 degrees Celsius. So it takes a little longer, and it doesn't catch fire. It melts versus igniting, and it goes out. So that's the importance of using the right wire in a situation where it's constantly being used.